Guys, I'm stressed. Why am I stressed, right? A lot of reasons. But the the music related reason, my laptop, Windows, if you got a Windows laptop, I pray to God your laptop has no space. I pray to God your laptop is safe. I pray to God your laptop never does this to you. About 3 weeks ago, laptop won't turn on. It turns on, it takes me to the your laptop won't turn on restart page. Thought it was a fluke, turned it off, turned it back on, ain't been working. 3 weeks worth of research, 3 weeks worth of YouTube hacks. I've been looking through the internet, I've been calling shops, I've been doing everything. Laptop won't work. Pro Tools is I can't get to Pro Tools. I can't pull out my music that I already have there but didn't bounce out. I've been going through it. I've been honestly considering, okay, just get another laptop. But then I lose all my work because it's on there. I didn't bounce it out. I didn't email it to myself. I didn't do none of it. So I've just been in this limbo, just constant limbo. Like, do I just start from scratch and get a new Pro Tools or get a new laptop? Or do I try to fix it? And honestly, sadly, I think I'm going to fix it, trying to fix it at least. The best I could do is take out all my storage, all my memory, buy a new laptop, get Pro Tools again, then put it all on the new laptop and see if somehow the session still opens up. And of course, that at least it's an option. But what if when I buy this new laptop, get Pro Tools, put the info on the new laptop, it doesn't load up? What happens? Do I lose out like 2 years worth of hard-earned work, 2 years worth of, dope-ass fucking music? I'm stressed. I'm honestly stressed. I smile all the time, even though I'm stressed, but I'm honestly, genuinely stressed. I can't stretch it enough. Like, why did this have to happen to me? Studio shut down. I haven't turned on the studio in at least 3 weeks. I haven't used anything. I haven't done anything musically because I'm just in limbo, trying to figure it out. But I can't figure it out because even YouTube won't help. Everything I learned is from YouTube. But I've tried a couple of codes. I've tried a lot. If you know the answer to my problem, if you know a way to get through to this Windows hack, if you can possibly, any way, shape, or form, help me, comment below. Listen, you comment below, you help me figure this out, and I promise, we're gonna be the best of friends. That's all I got. I don't know what else to give, It's crazy. Crazy enough, this Windows 10 startup issue turned my whole world upside down. Of course, I got a way to record still, but it's not the same. All my tips and tricks haven't been working. And lately, all I've been doing is literally just looking at my laptop. Can't move forward or backwards. Just stuck. Just tired, stuck, and waiting for somebody to help me. I don't know what to do at this point.
Yeah! What you prayed for? A couple millions and some peace. What's the hate for? They finally see you on your feet. What you want more?